The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hey guys, welcome to Taste This TV. I'm Chef Joe Seminary. Today we got a great show and a quick tip. When you're talking about onions, my friends, you have got to have some really, really good, seriously fried onions for your steak. And I'm going to show you a quick and simple, easy method for doing it. But you will need a nice sharpened slicer machine. So now it has to be sharp. Now you could use a knife. I don't recommend it with this one. You want to get perfect slices. So we're going to be using the Univex. Check it out. Nothing spells out precision like the Univex slicer here. So if you pick up one of these, you can go to their website and check them out. It's Univex. I mean, they got a lot of cool stuff on there, mixers and stuff like that. But for today, we're going to be using this incredible slicer. The blade is extremely sharp. It's got a lot of cool features on it, like the safety guard, easy to clean, sharpen, everything on here. So let's get started slicing this onion. We got our slicer on, and as you can see, we got our onion. This is really good because it kind of grips it in place. And we want thin slices. All right, looking good. We're gonna do two onions sliced. I got about 3 steaks that I'm gonna be putting on the grill today. And then we're gonna be frying these onions up in some oil. So let's get started on these onions. We'll be cutting these onions, and then we're gonna take it to the next level here, which is the seasoning. You notice how nice and smooth this runs on this baby. Here's all the spices, and we're doing a ½ teaspoon each. Garlic powder. This is peppercorns in there. We're gonna ground them up. Sea salt, pink peppercorns as well, gives it a great flavor. Paprika and cinnamon. And then you're gonna put 1 cup of flour. Put it all in here and mix. Okay, now we got our oil in the pan here. Now you could use any oil you want. I recommend either like Western oil, canola oil, or something like that. Something with a high smoke point. Grapeseed oil is good. Don't use olive oil for this. And then we got all of our mixture here. We're just going to combine everything. Make sure we get everything well coated in flour. That's the thing. It has to be really dry when it goes in. You always test it out with 1 onion. Looks like it's ready to go. I'm going to take a couple of handfuls here. Let it do its thing. Now this is like through the halfway phase here. You can see they're looking really crispy. Really, let them crisp up nice. You don't want mushy onions, so let them do its thing.